5.
You're clear for takeoff. Roger, we're going hot.
Step up, strap down, and take off! With Jets by Razor. Jets let you step and roll wherever you go. Step, roll with your friends as you take off with Jets. Easily adjustable, always awesome. You can fire up your afterburner and get your spark on. Jets are the hottest way to roll. Step, roll, and spark with your friends as you take off with Jets by Razor. Optional spark pads included. Adult supervision recommended.
4.
With Bloxels, you can build your own video games using the Bloxels board and app. Build your game, capture it, design the characters, play it.
Cool!
Create what you can imagine.
Oh, put coins right there. Flying Pig is hungry for coins. Robo-Dog is going to Rainbow City. Say hello to Ugly Sweater Kitty.
With a parent, you can share your creations with the Bloxels community.
Check out all my zombie lights. Whoa!
Your blocks, your creations, your video games. Bloxels. App and smart device required. iPad not included.
3.
Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.
2.
Air Hogs Thunder Trax, the unstoppable all-terrain vehicle. Thunder Trax can conquer snow, mud, dirt, and rock. It lets you take on any terrain. You can drive the Air Hogs Thunder Trax everywhere. It even transforms from tank to boat. The unstoppable all-terrain Thunder Trax. Air Hogs Thunder Trax. Batteries and other vehicles not included. From Spin Master.
1.